It was a very unusual morning in the lazy rabbit house. Instead of breakfast, there was packing.
Papa, tell me, are we going north or south? I've already loaded all the film into my camera.
Patience, Flash. The most important thing is not to forget the map. You can't go on a grand adventure without a map.
We're all set. Shoes tied, teeth brushed. Hurry, hurry. The plane won't wait for us. Mama, Papa, why are you so slow?
We're almost finished, little ones. Check one last time. Did you pack your favorite toys?
Suitcases packed, tickets in pocket. A bright yellow taxi was already waiting at the door.
Everyone in. Sumi, Flash to the back. Lazy, hop in next to Mama.
Hooray! Off we go. Forward to adventure.
It's only a short drive to the airport, little ones. Take a good look out of the window. Our town looks so lovely today. Let's say a little goodbye for now.
The yellow cab trotted merrily along the familiar streets, carrying the family closer and closer to their grand secret. The airport hummed like a giant beehive, but our rabbits knew exactly what to do.
Good day. Here are our tickets and passports. 5 seats. Please as close to the window as possible.
Everything is in order. Your luggage is checked in. Here are your boarding passes. Have a wonderful flight and all the best to your lovely family.
While Papa Steady studied the navigation, a peaceful hush fell over the cabin.
Paddington Bear loved marmalade very much, and he always kept a spare sandwich under his hat.
Mama, will we meet a bear too?
But Lazy didn't hear the answer. He drifted off to sleep to the gentle hum of the engines. Suddenly, the clouds parted. They had arrived. As they stepped out of the terminal, a cool mist greeted them, and a light rain began to fall.
Look, there is our ride. A real black cab.
Flash raised his camera to capture the moment. In the reflection of his lens, a strange sign appeared on the ground. Look right.
Everything is different here.
The city was full of wonders. They checked into a cozy hotel and began their journey through the heart of London.
Look at my photos. We sailed down the River Thames, wandered through the misty streets, and even made a new friend. A royal guard in a tall, fuzzy hat.
The secret was finally out. The lazy rabbit family had made it to London.